Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 11.2 question number 4. Find the missing values. Base height, you have to find the height. The area of the triangle is given 87 centimeter square. Also dash 31.4 millimeter 1256 millimeter square. This is 22 centimeter. This is dash 170.5 centimeter square. Let us find. We know that area of a triangle. We know that area of a triangle is equal to. We know that area of a triangle area of a triangle area of a triangle is equal to half base into height, that is 1 by 2 into base into height. And the area of this triangle is given as 87 centimeter square. 87 centimeter square. And here also we find that base is given as 15 centimeter. Therefore 1 by 2 or 1 by 2 into base is 15. If we represent height as h is equal to 87 centimeter square. 87 centimeter square, or you can write centimeter, right? Or h is equal to, or you can write 15 into h, that is 15h. 15h is equal to 87 into 2 is equal to 87 into 2 centimeter square, right? Or h is equal to, or h is equal to 87 into 2 by 15. If we change into less term or divided by 5, this is 5 3 is 15. And here also you can divide it by not 5, but you have to divide it by 3. Divide by 3, that is 3 5 is 15. 3 5 is 15. And this is 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is 6. 27, 3 9 is 27. 3 9 is 27. Right? 29. This is 29. Right? So 29 is 2 divided by 5. If we multiply 29 into 2, we are getting 29. That is 29 into 2. 9 into 2 is 9 to 18. Carry 1. It is 8. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. That is 58 by 5. That comes to 58 by 5. Now if we divide 58 by 5, we will get, divide this by 5. And we are getting 5 1 is 5. 5 1 is 5. Now 8. 5 1 is 5. 603. This point, it is 0. And 5 6 is 30. 5 6 is 30. Right? Therefore, we are getting 11.6 centimeter. Therefore, height is 11.6 centimeter. It is getting as 11.6 centimeter. Therefore, we got height as 11.6 centimeter. Therefore, write it here as 11.6. This is 11.6 centimeter. Height is 11.6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Now we'll solve question number 2, that is this number, right? Again we are writing that. Now solve question, the next question. Next question is, you see here, is this one, right? This is the next question. We know that area of a triangle, area of a triangle area of a triangle equal to half base into height. Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. In the second case, the area is given as 1256 millimeter square. 1256 millimeter square. And here you see the height is given as 31.4. Therefore we can write or 1 by 2 into base 1 by 2 into base into height is given as 31.4 millimeter, and that is equal to 1256 equal to 11256 millimeter square, right? Or you can write here as that. Therefore base, you can write here as base is equal to, therefore base is equal to base is equal to, here you see this will multiply with 2, that is 1256 125 into 2 divided by 31.4. Now if we divide it by 2, that is 2 1 is 2, right? We divide this one, that is 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 11, 2 5 is 10, 2 5 is 10, 1, 14, 2 7 is 14, that is 15.7, right? 15.7. 1256 divided by 15.7. Now if we write in this way, that 1256 divided by 1256 divided by 15.7 means into 10 by 157 by 157, right? Now if we divide this 12560 with 157, right, that means the value is 1 2 5 6 0 divided by 157. If we divide this number 12560 with 157, hello, now we will solve. We will divide 12560 by 157. Let us divide this number. We are dividing this one, that 1 2 1 2 5 6 0 divided by 157. 0, if we divide by 157, then we are getting 157. We multiply with 8, so it is 56, 5, it is 6, 5 it is 40 plus 5 45, 4 carry, it is 5, 8 is 8 plus 4 is 12, 1256, that is by 8 it is 1256 1 2 5 6, and here there is 0, therefore 80 is 0, that is 80, comes as 80. That we are getting is base is 80 millimeter. The base is 80 millimeter, right? This is the answer in the second. Therefore, the answer of this part is 80 millimeter. The base is 80 millimeter. The base is 80 millimeter. Right? Let's solve the next question, that is third question. Let us rub this one or delete this one. After that, let us solve this one. That is, we know that area of a triangle. We know that area of a triangle, area of a triangle, area of a triangle, area of a triangle is equal to half base into height, is equal to half into base into height. Here you see the area is given as 170.5 centimeter square, right? And this one is, or half 1 by 2 into base is 22, and let us take height as h, is equal to 170.5, or h can be written as, or h is equal to 170.5 into 2 divided by 22. We cut this one, that is 2 1 2, 2 11 22. Now if we divide 170.5 by 11, we are getting, let us divide this one, that is 170.5, 170.5. If we divide this number by 11, then we will get 11, 1 11, 17 minus 11, that is 6, it is 0. 5 11 55, 5 11 55, 60 minus 55 is 5. This is point, and this is point, and it is 5. Again 5 11 55, 5 11 55. That means we are getting 15.5 centimeter. That we are getting 15.5 centimeter. Then write the value here. The value will be written as 15.5 centimeter. Therefore, the height is 15.5 centimeter. 15. This is 15.5 centimeter. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.